Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to sign in on YouTube TV on your smart TV. Alright, let's begin. First, ensure that you have the YouTube TV app installed on your smart TV or streaming device. It's important to have the YouTube TV app, not just the regular YouTube app. Once you have it installed, open the YouTube TV app. When you launch the app for the first time, it will prompt you to try out YouTube TV. For this video, it'll assume you already have an account. If you don't have an account yet, click on Try It Free. For now, I will scroll up and select Member Sign In. After selecting that option, you will see instructions on your screen. Grab your phone or computer and open a web browser. Navigate to tv.youtube.com/start. Next, enter the code displayed next to step 2 on your TV screen. You don't need to type in any dashes, just enter the letters and numbers. Once you successfully enter the code, choose the Google account you want to sign in with. You will need to allow YouTube TV to access your Google account. After clicking Allow, you should be signed into YouTube TV. So that's basically how you can sign in on YouTube TV on your smart TV. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.